Hi, so I made a Lego fire alarm right here, and like the key is the element just right behind here. So basically, I found one of these cool fire things that I could put under there, and also the handle was the hardest part because the handle was the hardest spot because you had to, you can see that part. Like, yeah, that's the orange. But there's like if I take this off, there's like that thing right there, and it's just hard. Okay, got it. So, yeah, this thing. And also right here is where you put the key thing in. And look, when you don't need to, and when it's not pulled, you keep it like that. And then once it's pulled, that thing goes up. And then to reset it, you see this thing? Yeah, you need to hold it in when you reset it. Make sure it's locked. Okay. Okay, it's good. Yep. And then when you're done with that part, you stick it right here, and then you're good. You're all good. Oh, and I forgot to show you one more part. So, my hand. Okay, so this is the back of it. So there's basically
a T for time.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. And you see this part? This is the part it like moves back and forth. So, and then to hold it up, there's this little sort of thingamajiggy that holds it up, and this is just for support because this carpet isn't Lego. How do I hold it up? And then I'm pretending this is notifier, whatever sort of thing this is. The purple one, Firelight. The yellow one is Simplex. And this one is, try to guess.
Oh, you want me to guess?
Yes.
I don't know.
Okay.
Simplex, Notifier, Firelight.
Oh.
I don't know.
There's this sort of one. You actually can't find it?
No, come on, honey, finish it.
It is called...
Bedtime.
No. Johnson Controls.
Oh, Johnson Controls.
But, look. Look at this. It doesn't stick. Because it's a Johnson Controls key. Then I need to put these all back. See you guys later, and goodbye. Peace.